We're coming up to the 3rd floor of this fort. I haven't made a video of any of it.
Yeah, this is our
We're starting now.
This is our new home.
It is.
Oh, and there's a fruit cow down there.
Yes, there is.
That gives us fruit.
Yeah, we'll video it all on the way down, okay?
Alright.
Alright, now, up here, look here, we've got a couple of ropes here.
But there's a slide.
Yeah, this is a great big slide. You see, that's where you get into it.
Why do people hate the floor?
Look at there. There it is out there. And it goes all the way down and around.
Grandpa, look.
And there's Grandma sitting way down there.
Oriana was here. Watch it, buddy.
Oh, Adriana, yeah. Front man was here. Whoever front man is. We don't know, do we?
No. I like you. Hey. Oh, eh?
So yeah, so this is the 3rd floor. And it's pretty cool. Now are you gonna slide down?
Okay. Well, what about you, Grandpa? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna follow me?
Well, you know what? I can.
Or are you gonna just climb all the way back down?
Well, which way do you think I should go?
It would be easier if you go down.
Alright, well here, you start out first.
Okay, I'll tell you when I'm done.
Well, no, yeah, we're going to go together a little bit, but you're going to be in front of me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can get a video of you going down. So, get in there and go down a little bit, but don't go very far.
What about you? You were going to smash me! Let's show them the fruit cow.
So here's the bottom of the slide. What'd you think of it?
It was big.
And look at that. It goes, oh, I mean, that dude will shoot you down here if you'll let it. But here, we're going to show you the fruit cow, okay? So look at the fruit on this side. Grapes and oranges and apples and watermelon, cherries, pears. Here's the face of the cow
All the fruit
that we're calling fruit cow. And we got bananas over here and with cherries and apples, grapes, orange, lemons.
So we can make
And then
lemonade.
this is my favorite little granddaughter in front of the cow.
Yeah, and he's our pet fruit cow.
This is the fort that we were up in. You got to go all the way to the 3rd floor
He's my
to get to that slide up there. But I'll go back up and show you the 2nd floor as well. And this, of course, that's downstairs. You can see these look like treasure chests or barrels or something here. And then look, yeah, they've got it. Look here. This is a wheelbarrow. Made out of really, really thick wood. You can see there. Then you got that little climbing area there with all the little stumps. They've got. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, the treasure chest. Anyway, so you can climb various things here. They got swings over there. They got these tires you can go under, I guess.
This is our new house. It's
climb
the
on.
fun house.
Yeah, that's what we're going to. And then see, we got this little red house. And look how cute this is with the fencing. They got the numbers and letters right there. Yeah, baby.
Your little house, and this is my little house.
Okay, so you'll have the red one, which red's your favorite color. Got a bunny rabbit, and
you get the blue.
it's cute, ain't it? And this is the blue one that she's talking about. Look at that. I get to live in this. Look at the flowers, and look at the shape of the house. And don't it remind you of a Dr. Seuss house? It does me. And here's the cool part, I think. Look up here. Mailbox in the front of this thing. So, and it's got a little slide on this side. Little things to spin around. And see in here, it's got some colors on the floor. It's got a clock up there. There's a little window. Window. And then right there you can go down that little area there.
Grandpa,
So,
I'm going to show the film
okay.
about my house.
Well, let's go over here and you can do your own personal tour.
Okay, so I have this little fence. I have this and it can make a song. And
Yeah.
if you go over here, this is where I eat.
Ooh, okay. That's your dining room.
And this is all my critters.
Let's sing the song. That's the ABC song, okay?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
You don't even have to look at that.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Never did you see that?
And then on this side of your house.
And it says, what's your favorite fruit?
Oh, and what is your favorite fruit?
On my fruit cow is apple.
Apples, okay. And then see they got nice little picnic tables here. There's some strange woman sitting at that one. Just don't, we're not gonna pay her no attention.
I like to make apple juice out of apples.
And this is the park. It's just it's a small park, but boy, it's got a lot packed in it, and it's a really neat place. So I'll go back up and show you that second floor, okay?
Mirror.
You have a mirror in there?
Yeah. See? Look, William. You can see you.
All right. All right, down there is the ladder that we just used to climb up here to get to the second floor. And here's the second floor, and here's our guide.
Yeah. This is where I climbed to the third floor.
So that takes you to the third floor, okay?
This is the
And then
spider
over
web
here-
room. This is the spider web.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And these are trampolines.
Yeah, so you can like bounce off of those if you wanted, couldn't you?
Well, maybe that would be a little dangerous, though.
Ouch. And then what about that one there?
Oh, yeah.
Can you demonstrate that one?
It says go. Go.
It does, okay. All right. So
And
it's a neat little room, right?
yeah, and you can also climb up here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see another one right there, and then that's as far as it goes, though. So,
Yeah.
all right. Now, do you want to show us the other side of this?
Yeah. This is where we sleep, right, Grandpa?
All right. Yeah. So this is the bedroom over here.
Yeah.
So see, you got a little bed,
This
a
and
little bit higher bed, and then the biggest bed back there.
Grandpa. This is my bed. This is Grandma's bed, and that's your bed.
There you go. We'll all live here forever. And now from up here, you can see a little overview
And
of our houses down there,
yeah, those
And-
are our houses. Where
and
we
of our
live in
slide
bed.
right there. Look at that slide. Isn't that awesome? We like it. And then see over here. Look at here. There's some bushes out there, and some poles that's holding some stuff, and some planters and some other things. And right down there is our fruit cow that we already showed you. Pretty cool.
Do you want to film going down the slide again? Last time it was pretty funny, right?
Well, you want to?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to do the slide one more time and see if it kills me or not.
Okay. Going to film me sliding down the slide.
Yeah, you're going to take them on an adventure, right?
Yes.
A sliding adventure. So here, hold it straight ahead,
This is
and
the
then just go whenever you're ready.
Okay. It's a bug.
And then let me know. Here, point that straight ahead
But
now.
there's a bug in the slide.
That's okay.
But
Here,
it's scary.
you got to hold that straight.
You can. I don't think you can see the bug down there. But well, shoo! That is crazy! If you come back here. Grandpa! What happened?
Well, just the screen's off. See, it's still recording.
Okay.
Here. So how was it?
Fun.
I concur. It was fun. Here we are walking on the logs. Gonna test her balance here. Here, go down that way. Okay, we'll do that and then turn it and do those. Oh, you want to come up that? Well, then okay.
I'll try.
That's a shortcut, but okay. Whoa. All right. Now work your way up here. Here, look right there. Okay, you're gonna do that. Okay. There you go. Okay, and you want to go on around, or you want to go down the slide?
Down the slide.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna live in the house.
Okay. Yeah. It's a nice little house, right?
Yeah.
Very nice little house. We like it.
I want to see what it's like in there.
Okay.
Wait, Grandpa, it's 2-storied.
Oh, really? Okay.
See?
Yeah, I see a little tiny place down there. Yeah, I didn't notice that before. So it's got a basement. Oh, look. Hey, look. You could crawl in here to get under that part if you wanted.
Oh, and you have a hammock.
Yep. You want to lay on it?
Wow.
There we go. A nice little hammock.
You
And
can,
then a slide to get out of it.
you can live here, Grandpa.
Yeah, you're going to come up in it? And here, and I'll get you as best I can.
This is your house. Whoa,
It's a nice house, ain't it?
Yeah. Grandpa, look, it says find all these shapes.
Oh, does it? Okay. Hopefully we can see that. So there we go. She's in my house there. Good times.
Look